Oh, ready to go. All right, can you guys hear me okay? Super. So I'm Mike Faulkner. I'm a Principal Program Manager with Microsoft, and this is my colleague, Chris Gardy. He's going to be helping with questions. So we're going to talk today about feature management. We got 20 minutes, and it's going to be a busy session, so we're going to get started on that. Just by the way, we are in the process of building out feature management, so we've already had 2 releases of it. We're going to have at least 1 or 2 more. So what I'm going to show you is stuff we're planning also in the future, so if things change, it's because I just told you it's going to change. So just be aware of that. To understand feature management, I want you to understand the bigger picture. So we've got something called feature exposure, and so we've got concepts of flighting, feature management, and then using it. Flighting is something Microsoft does. You'll hear this term, and I just want to make sure you at least understand the term. Flighting is something Microsoft does internally. We will wrap something with a flight, we will give it to a few customers, let them play with it, and then we'll move it towards final usage. Feature management, which I'm going to show you today, is the actual usage of our product. So what feature management allows you to do is turn on or off a project, a feature. That's it, that's all it does. It's not flighting, it isn't something Microsoft controls, it's something that customers and partners control. So what we do is when we ship a new feature, in one version we promised you that we won't change your experience. We're not going to surprise you, we're not going to break you. So what's happening now is that every new feature that comes out will now have a feature ID internally, and it will be exposed through feature management. By default it'll be off, and then you will turn it on. So for example, if we recently, we release a product tomorrow, it won't show up in your code, it'll just show up in feature management, and then you'll turn it on or off, depending on how you want to do it. So our plans, we already delivered it in 10.03. We already delivered, you can enable, disable, or schedule a feature. You can, I need my glasses, I'm sorry. You can schedule something for future enablement. You can filter on the different kinds of features, and you have links to documentation now. So all the documentation for a feature has to be done before we release it to you, so there won't be any gaps. So you'll be able to look at the feature and see it right away. So what I'm going to do is, instead of jumping to the looking forward, I'm going to jump to actually demo, show you all the stuff, and then we'll come back to what's going to come in the future for you. So, okay, so this is feature management. You'll see a workspace at the bottom called feature management right down here. And you'll see a little pop-up that says, hey, feature management showed up. And if you click here on learn more, you'll actually see entire documentation about what feature management does. So now you'll understand this is for enabling customers and partners to turn on or off features. Once you pick feature management is going to be controlled by roles. System admin has absolute access to turning on a feature. There will also be a feature manager and a feature viewer. A feature manager is somebody you can delegate turning on and off features. A feature viewer can just look at the list. So again, it's turning on the feature. It isn't setting up the parameters, it isn't adding the data, it's just enabling the feature to show up as a menu item or part of the system. So when you get into feature management, you see this list, and so what you're seeing here is a list of all the features that have been added to our system since the last time you took one of our monthly updates. So if you have a gap, like you skipped a monthly update, you would see 2 months of updates here. But this is all the stuff that's come in since the last update. So the first tab is a list of all the new features. And what you see here is a column right here that tells you the status of the feature. If the column is blank, that means the feature has not been enabled. If you see this little lock, that means the feature was mandatory. And so we don't do that very often because, again, the promise. But for example, this feature was mandatory because it's a feature. I don't want to get in this infinite loop about should I turn on the feature, just turn on the feature. So we made it mandatory. You have to take the feature. And so if you see a little lock, it was something so critical that we decided that you had to take it. The last thing here is then the next thing is the green circle. That means this feature is enabled. Whatever menus are enabled will show up. Any forms will show up. Any data, whatever we've got under the feature flag, it'll show up. The last one here is this little clock. That means this feature's been scheduled. So some folks want every feature right now. It's just give it to me. Some people will say, hey, wait a minute. my team has to be trained, they don't know anything about this feature, I want to control this feature. You can schedule this feature to be turned on in the future. And so for this case, you see I've got this feature has been enabled on 7/1/2019. So this feature won't happen until July 1st. And the minute July 1st hits, it'll turn on. So also notice on the right-hand side, it tells you what's going on and it gives you some information about this feature that'll help you decide whether or not you want to enable it or not. If you want more information, I'm going to show you a different one here. You want more information, you click here, and it'll take you to the documentation right in the feature. So now you've got feature documentation connected to your feature. So you know what's coming out, and you know what it's all about, and then you can make a decision on whether you want to enable it or not. So this feature has not been enabled. If you look at the bottom here, you got enable now. If I do that, the feature's enabled and immediately. So it's immediately available now to everybody. It'll literally turn on for everybody at that moment in time. So that's all there is to enabling is pushing the button. If you want to schedule a feature like this one up here, you push schedule and it's going to prompt you for the date. What date do I want to schedule it on? I want to schedule it on 7/1. Now it's scheduled in the future. So now I've got a couple features ready to go, a couple features scheduled, one mandatory. If you go across the top here, you got not enabled. That'll just tell you the features that have not yet been enabled, these three. Which ones have been scheduled? These two have been scheduled and when. And then this is the list of all features. So this list will grow as we add features to it. And I know the questions you're already going to ask about this, so let me get to the next slide, I'll show you. But this is all the features that we've got so far in feature management. So that's the overview of the entire feature. Let me go back to the slides and I'm going to tell you about what we're going to do in the future to make it easier to use. Okay, so looking forward, we don't yet support dependent features. This feature is on, but this one isn't, but this one is required for this one. We are working on that one right now, so that we'll have dependent features. So if you turn this one on, it's going to say, by the way, I'm going to turn these other two on as well. Default installation settings. Again, we heard loudly that some of these things, some customers want everything on all the time right away. Other customers want to pick what they want. So we're going to have a setting that says, what's your default installation setting? If it's default to off right now, everything's off. So then when your settings, you can turn the setting on and it'll be on then. So you can actually automatically get all your new features on or off depending on that setting. The multiple features, we're gonna allow you to say enable all, because if this list is 150, that's kind of tough, click, click, click. So you'll be able to say enable all and it'll just enable all the features that it can, and then you can turn off one or two of them that you don't want. So we're gonna have that capability. This is a little longer plan, but at a point in time, we don't want this list to be 1,000, 2,000 features. At a point in time, we're going to tell you that this feature will become mandatory, and we have to tell you that at major release cycles, October and April, or fall and spring. So we're going to say, this new feature, bank revaluation, this new feature, you can turn it on and off, but in 12 months, it's just going to be there. You're not going to be able to turn it on or off. And we're going to, because at some point in time, we want to roll these things in the product, and they show up for everybody, they just show up. So we're going to have a feature, we haven't added it yet, but we're going to have a feature that tells you this is going to be on in 12 months, and this is the date it's going to go on, and get ready, and we're going to warn you and tell you and make sure everything's well known, but we're going to make it so that we can start rolling all these features into the product without having to turn them on every time. The last one is a data entity for, because you're going to turn them on in your sandboxes probably, and you're going to kind of make sure they work. And then you're going to go to production. Well, you don't want to do the clicking over again. So we already shipped in 10.04, we shipped a data entity. So you can export your sandbox, take it over to production, and import it into production. It'll have identically the same settings in production that you got in your sandbox. So that is coming. So, and you see in the lower left-hand corner, a lot of ISVs and customers say, hey, can I do this? Can I use this myself? Yes, you will be. We've still got one or two more releases where we've got a really key API that we don't want to change on you. So as soon as we finish that API, we'll then announce to you through the documentation and probably the feature that you'll be able to, as ISVs and customers, write your own features and turn them on with this product as well. We're this close, so I just can't quite let it go yet. So and that. Oh, I already did the demo. There's the picture. So Q&A. So we're going to have you ask questions, and then in the deck, just so you know, in the deck, there's probably 20 questions that we answered already, just so you have them, that people have asked us in some of our webinars. I'm sorry. So what happens when you disable a feature and there's data in there? You just don't see the menus anymore, but the data is still there. So you don't. It's not like config keys where it automatically does a DB sync and wipes out your tables and all that. It doesn't do that. So you can turn on a feature, and if you add data and you turn it back off, it's just the data's still going to be there. Will every feature become mandatory at some point? I think that's our plan. We used to just deliver features. You were stuck with them, right? And then we had a parameter. So if we decide that, and if we get good feedback that says, hey, just make this normal, we'll turn it back on and make it mandatory. But we have to do it. We have to give you 12 months notice, and we have to do it on fall and spring cycles. So anything that would happen today wouldn't happen until a year from September, October. So. But not all of them. So mandatory is going to be very infrequent. We won't do mandatory very often, but we can, and so that might happen. But we'll give you dates. We'll warn you, all that stuff. Yeah. Okay, so the schedule is just a date, not a time. We talked about that quite a bit actually, and so. If you're that time sensitive, you really need it like immediately at a certain time of day.
We don't know the time zone that Microsoft may, if it happens during the day, when we are working on the system, that's not very good. We should be allowed to do it at night, not at Microsoft time. We don't want.
No, so the time, the time is based on your server, not ours. Okay, so it's based on whatever your normal time is for your company, like whatever time you use, it's midnight at that time. And we already know about the date, we've thought about it, it's still there, we just haven't given up on it yet.
It's a second answer up here as well, I just flicked to that slide.
Oh yeah. I can't, I'm sorry. Do we have a microphone? What's that?
Is it per legal entity?
No, we thought about that, so we're thinking about it. It's not per legal entity yet. It's if you want per legal entity, today the developers add a parameter. So if you want like foreign currency revaluation for banks, is got a parameter by legal entity, but it also has a feature to make it global. So you get your choices. It's backwards, but we shipped it early. But my point is, the developers can figure that out. They can say, this is global, but I want to have a parameter by legal entity if I want to. But in the future, we're thinking about having this. There's something in here we don't have that people want, and that's a button that says not only turn it on, but now configure it. Like push the button, out comes a screen, set these 5 parameters, pick legal entities. That's something we already know about. And Chris is owning this owns the bigger picture, and Chris is already thinking about that. So we don't have to point you to 5 screens to configure it. It just happens right here.
You can combine it with the schedule.
I'm sorry?
You can combine it then with the schedule.
Combine it with the schedule.
Combine the configuration with the schedule?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, it hasn't been written yet, we don't know, but it's something that we'll think about. So there was somebody over here. Okay, sorry, go ahead.
What about if you want to enable a feature only for one role management?
Oh, what if you want to enable it for one role? Well, remember this. Yeah, remember this thing only enables the feature. If you have security, if it has security and you don't put it on the role, it still won't happen. So you can control that. You can make sure it's on nobody's role, and you can enable it and play with it, like on your sandbox. It won't turn on until you add it to the role.
Yeah, so this is...
You can, if the feature is not enabled, you can configure it by security role, and it won't come on. And then when you, all you're doing is, it's like everywhere in the system where there's an object that's related, it's kind of like, is it visible or not? It's like an if statement. It wraps it with an if statement. So once you turn it on, yeah, then the security kicks in if it's on. So
Yeah, so the feature management switches are about feature visibility, and then your configuration is somewhere else. Your security is somewhere else. Yeah, so those are still separate things that apply after the feature is visible.
yeah, okay. Okay, so the question was about localizations. You saw that, enabling all with localizations. So, first of all, I forgot this one. If you have config keys turned off, they won't show up here either. The features for the config keys won't show up. Okay, so if you have like a Brazilian config key or something like that, features won't show up at all. But if they do show up, they're eligible to be turned on. So we're not skipping by localization yet, but we are skipping config keys. Okay. You might have to come up here. I'm sorry. So, okay, let's see if I can say it right. If, oh, I get. Well, so that's really the development team has to make sure whatever features they create take care of those dependencies so that they can turn them off and on. I forgot this one too. We're going to have the concept of enable and can't disable. For example, you guys have heard about revenue recognition coming out. Once you turn that on, there's a lot of stuff going to happen, and you won't be able to turn it off. Okay, so we've got not very many, but if the code can't be written to let you go back, we'll have to make it mandatory when you turn it on. But so the development team is required to make sure that it works when you disable it and enable it back and forth. That it all works.
Right, so any setup data that gets configured after it gets enabled, that will still be there if it gets disabled afterwards. Yeah.
Yeah. So what we will do on some features is all it will do is expose a parameter or a menu that says, enable revenue recognition, and then it'll ask you a slider will come out with a lot of questions. So it might simply enable the ability to turn on to go configure something so you can make it work. Instead of actually, making the whole thing visible, it might just make a parameter or a menu visible. So it depends on the complexity of the new feature that you've got. Yeah. 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 Okay. So when you turn on. No. So if there's a data requirement for a feature, then the development team will have to provide you with something that takes care of that. So feature enablement may only turn on the menu that gets you to that screen to turn it all on.
That allows you to configure that.
Yeah. It's you're never going to get stuck. Like when you turn something on, you're not going to get in a point where your data's corrupted. It won't happen.
Right.
So the point of it is if it's a simple feature, most of them are, can I see it or not? If it's a really complex feature, then there has to be a configuration anyway that's more complicated. It may just simply expose that menu for you. Okay.
And what Mike had mentioned is in the future we'll have a button on the feature management form so that when you're on the feature, you'll hit a configure button and it'll take you to that experience. So it'll be faster to get to that experience rather than having to read the documentation and find that experience yourself.
Right. And again, we're working on it. We're adding more to this each release.
Right. Mike.
Okay. So she was. Did I lose my? Oh, there we go.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay. So your question was about revenue recognition and. Well, okay, revenue recognition, you'll have to opt in first. I mean, none of our new features will show up automatically. if we decide to do that in 12 months. Will it be mandatory in 12 months? If we decide that's true, that we need to do that. So before we do that, we ask all the customers, we have a discussion. If it's something little tiny feature, it's like we don't want to keep turning it on forever. We're going to turn those on, you know. Something really big like revenue recognition, credit management, some of those, there'll be a lot of customers that are like, wow, hold on, you know, and we may not turn that one on automatically for a long period of time. Maybe never. We may just make it always enabled.
Right, it might be a permanent switch in the parameters form, yeah.
But we've got the flexibility to do either one. And believe me, if it's going to make customers mad, we're not going to, you know, we're trying not to do that stuff. So, okay.
We're at
We ran out
time.
of time.
Yep.
If you have any other questions, come on up afterwards. We're going to let the other team sneak in here. So if you have any more questions, come on up, and thank you very much.
Thank you.